Hey, I'm Shane from Heatshield Products. I'm down here with Mickey at Throtl, and we got our hot rod sleeve we're going to do on one of these power steering lines in this 240SX. It's a great way to shield your oil lines, fuel lines, brake lines, anything like that from any type of heat.
So this product's great. We've added a giant oil cooler or power steering cooler to this car, but adding the hot rod sleeve to this line, which runs right next to the hot side of the turbo, is going to help keep the temperatures down as well as our cooler, so we might as well do it. All right, Shane, here's the power steering line.
Awesome.
And it's already cleaned up. I washed it out with brake parts cleaner.
Perfect. Yeah, a lot of times you want to make sure that you don't have any residual oil or grease on anything you're going to cover up with doing our product, because you could get ignition.
Oil's flammable.
Exactly.
Who knew?
So now with our hot rod sleeve, if you push on it, it'll expand just slightly so that you
Oh yeah, because I was wondering how you're going to get it over that fitting.
Yeah, so.
Oh, look at that.
And then we just slightly press right there at the fitting, and it should go around everything.
Beauty. Looks good. Looks way better than this silver line, that's for sure. And it's going to provide some thermal properties. So is it necessary to have an extra set of hands to do this, or is it just quicker?
It's just quicker, but you can do this by yourself.
Yeah, I think that's probably good because we're going to shrink too.
You want to shrink right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, that's awesome.
There we go.
So cool. It's pretty warm now.
Now we're all set.
Now our line looks a lot cooler because it's not silver.
Yeah.
It's going to keep the coolant inside cooler from the heat from the exhaust, and it's also going to keep it from scratching the frame rail,
yes.
because this is a part that's running right next to the painted frame rail, which is cool. Serves three purposes. I'm a happy man. Thanks, dude. I guess these spin, so well, they don't actually spin. Looks so much better than the stainless steel braid, so awesome.
Yeah.
So that'll do it for this video. That was a pretty simple install, as are most of
yeah.
you guys' products, right? I mean, most of the heat shield stuff is, you have to have a little ingenuity, but for the most part, it does what it's intended and it goes on pretty easily.
Exactly. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.